Good day, friends. We started our 2 classes on chemistry when we define chemistry, the scientific methods, element, compounds, and mixtures. We also define physical and chemical changes. We also talked about, in the other videos, I talked about separation techniques, distillation, separating funnel, chromatography. But today we want to examine some questions on mixtures, elements and compounds and mixtures. So we want to treat these questions on the board. We have, which of the following are mixture? Petroleum, rubber latex, vulcanizer solution, carbon 4 sulfide. We have the options here: 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 4, 1 and 2 only, 1 and 4. So we want to pick the answer. So let's analyze the question. Talk about petroleum. Petroleum, or we call it crude oil, are mixtures of petrol, bitumen, gasoline, kerosene, and all that. So petroleum is a mixture. Rubber latex is a mixture of rubber and some compounds and water. And we also have vulcanizer solution. Vulcanizer solution is a mixture. We also have carbon 4 sulfide. Carbon 4 sulfide is written as this, so which is a compound. So the only answer here is 1, 2, and 3, which is this option. 1, 2, and 3. So let's go ahead and answer this question. Classify the following substances as an element, a mixture, or a compound. Let's look at the first one, limestone. Limestone is a compound, and the formula is calcium carbonate. So this is a mixture, and it's a compound. Sorry, it's a compound. Limestone is a compound, calcium carbonate. It's written as calcium carbonate. We also have diamond. Diamond is a pure carbon. We have some what we call allotropes of carbon. We have diamond. Diamond is an element. It's a pure carbon. It's an element. So we have E for the element. We also have what we call sand. Sand is actually a compound. What is the formula for sand? Silicon 4 oxide. That is SiO2. So this is a compound. Sand is a compound. We also have what we call soil. Soil is a mixture. Soil is a mixture of sand, clay, water, and all that. Urine is a mixture. Urine contains urea, water, and all that. So it's a mixture. We also have bronze. Bronze is an alloy. Bronze contains copper and tin. So it's a mixture. So bronze is an alloy. It's a mixture of copper and tin. Or maybe this question may be changed to brass. Brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. We also have what we call sugar. Sugar is a compound. This is the formula for sugar: C12H22O11. So it's a compound. Gold is an element. What is the formula for gold? AU. Silver is Ag. We also have clay. Clay is a mixture. Clay is a mixture. We also have urea. Urea is a compound. This is the formula for urea. NH2CONH2. So urea is a compound. And this is the formula. We also have antimony. Antimony is an element. And the formula is Sb. Antimony. Soap is a mixture. We also have milk. Milk is also a mixture. Air is a mixture of gases. Noble gases, nitrogen, and oxygen, and all that. So air is a mixture of gases. From the definition of air, air is a mixture of gases. We also have neon. Neon is an element. Neon is a noble gas. Neon is a noble gas. Neon is a noble gas. That's Ne. And we have iron is an element. Iron is Fe. Neon is also an element. So we have taken time to take this question on the board to see if you understood what we have been treating. We have this question on the board. We have, why is sodium chloride solution regarded as a mission? To know if you understand what we are taking, let's meet in the comment section. Bye.